Just as it is possible to add text to flow sheets, users can also add images and tables. Let's take a look on these two useful tools. First, let's talk about adding images. Users can add images by selecting the Image tool found in the Flowsheet toolbar. This action allows users to place the image holder at any position in the flowsheet. Once positioned, the image source needs to be specified in the Source field. When Link to File is selected, the image holder will retrieve and display an image file matching the exact file name specified in the File Name field. It is crucial to note that any changes to the file's name or its directory will prevent access to the image. Conversely, renaming another image file to the specified file name within the designated folder means this new image will be displayed instead. On the other hand, when the Embed option is selected, the image file selected on the File Name field will be embedded into the flowsheet. This embedded image becomes an intrinsic part of the flowsheet and is unaffected by any subsequent alterations to the original file. It is worth mentioning that flowsheets with linked images tend to have smaller file sizes, making them more manageable than those with embedded images. Now, let's see how to add tables. To incorporate tables into the flowsheet, users can utilize the Table tool. Upon selection of the tool, users have the flexibility to position the table holder anywhere within the flowsheet. Then, it is necessary to specify the source from which FluidFlow will retrieve the spreadsheet in the File Name field. The table within the flowsheet establishes a link with the original file. Any modifications made to this file will be automatically reflected in the corresponding table. Incorporating additional elements such as texts, images, and tables into the flowsheet might result in overcrowding. An important technique to avoid this is to know how to reposition nodes or move the entire model itself, which will be covered in the next section.